A comprehensive guide to truck accident claims in Northern Virginia. A collision with a commercial truck can leave Northern Virginia residents dealing with serious injuries and a confusing legal process. These claims differ from typical car crashes because state statutes and federal trucking rules apply. Acting quickly and consulting a truck accident lawyer helps preserve your rights and stops trucking companies from controlling the narrative. The first day is critical. State law requires you to report any accident involving injury, death or major property damage, and a police report is invaluable evidence. Call 911 for medical responders and officers. If you can, photograph the vehicles and the road, note the truck's identifying details and exchange contact information. Hidden injuries can surface later, so seek prompt medical care. Notify your insurer without admitting fault, and avoid recorded statements or quick settlements from the trucking company's carrier until you have spoken with an attorney familiar with these claims. Preserving evidence makes the difference between a fair recovery and a denied claim. Modern semi-trucks carry event data recorders and electronic logging devices that capture speed, braking and driving hours. A lawyer will send a spoliation letter to prevent destruction of electronic data and other key records. Reconstruction professionals use those files with witness accounts to show what happened. Frequently, the electronic logs reveal that a fatigued driver exceeded federal hours of service limits and that there was no braking before impact. This objective information often undermines a trucking company's assertion that the crash was unavoidable. Responsibility rarely stops with the driver. Negligence includes speeding, distracted driving, following too closely, driving under the influence and violating hours of service rules. Under Respondit Superior, the trucking company is answerable for its driver's conduct and its own negligence. A motor carrier may hire unsafe drivers, pressure them to break safety rules or ignore vehicle maintenance. Cargo handlers, mechanics and parts manufacturers may share blame if improper loading, bad repairs or defective components contributed to the crash. Identifying every negligent party protects your chance for full compensation. Virginia's legal landscape favors defendants. Under pure contributory negligence, an injured person who is even 1% at fault cannot recover damages. Insurers use this rule to deny claims. Objective electronic data helps counter accusations that the victim caused the collision. Trucks must comply with lane restrictions, lower speed limits, weight and size caps and cargo securement rules. Federal regulations limit driving hours, require commercial licenses and call for regular inspections. Violations of these standards are powerful evidence of negligence. Victims also face a 2-year statute of limitations, so it is essential to act promptly. Damages should account for both tangible and human losses. Economic damages include past and future medical bills, lost wages, diminished earning capacity and property damage. Non-economic damages cover pain, mental anguish, lost enjoyment of life, inconvenience and disfigurement. There is no cap on these damages in most cases, so testimony from doctors, family and friends helps show how the injuries affect daily life. In fatal crashes, surviving family members may pursue wrongful death damages for sorrow, lost companionship, financial support, medical expenses before death and funeral costs. These claims ensure accountability even when a life has been cut short. Trying to handle a truck accident claim alone is risky. These cases involve strict contributory negligence rules, multiple potential defendants and complex regulations. A skilled truck accident attorney knows how to preserve evidence, navigate the law and build a persuasive claim. Jennifer Porter has spent more than 25 years advocating for injury victims and once represented major insurers, giving her insight into the defense strategies used by trucking companies. From their office at 8001 Braddock Road No. 102, Springfield, Virginia, 22151. They guide clients through every stage of the process with professionalism and compassion. To find out how an experienced Northern Virginia truck accident lawyer can protect your rights and pursue the compensation you deserve, call 571-532-9070. Choosing the right law firm can be the first step toward accountability and recovery.